just settled in for your first night. Things won't seem how they should. You got no defense, and most importantly, so let me bite you, don't wanna fight you. I wanna call you within my eternal gratitude. You're our friend in this too, what can we do? Tick-tock boom, we have got it out for you.
And with a little budge, little more touch, we have no grudge, not as simple as such. But your coffin is ready for you, take a slice of turn.
So please, oh please, don't run from us, you're our friend to us. You're part of our redesign, there's no denying it. We're precise in it, our fights to pit it. We got a fire, burn it for you. We're one big happy family.
It's a pizza party now.
You will be mine for eternity.
Or it's just keep it playing now.
If we had more than words, we want out. But his card is brought back to tragedy. Our doom is bright, lost in our heart. You're still alive. But as we find you, we will ignite you tonight. We are creations, manipulations. We have a deal with the damned and a sound inspiration. We may never escape, this is the fate. Digging our graves all before it's too late.
But if we're going down, standing our grounds at the party of pound, makes a noise, you'll be found. And as the old saying goes, that you were afraid for, no one knows.
So stay away, unless you want to be our prey. You're part of me, bottom line. You're trapped and I'll admit, we tend to commit. We're a bunch of misfits. We're gonna fire, burning for you. We're one big happy family.
It's a pizza party now.
You will be mine for eternity.
Or it's just keep it playing now.
If we have more than words, we want out. But his card is brought back to tragedy. Our doom is bright, lost in our heart. You're still alive. But as we find you, we will ignite you tonight.
Hold up, got a story so unholy. Matrimony has a place in our sanctimony. We weren't the same since the day our eternity faded within mechanical debauchery and carnal dismay. We couldn't even count to 10 when it was my birthday. I can remember when only memories of death began. Crawling up my arms for what used to be arms, but now we're fastened by a torture chamber, by holistic danger. So don't be so surprised to find we ride with kind minds. Gonna hurt you, but you can't scream bloody murder. Hey, you miss her, then she's got beats that'll push you further. Bang, got the hot seat, party's over. I'm sorry, this is what we do. We didn't choose this. Don't diss, just like us, you won't be missed. But I got half a mind to know your panic. Your body parts sporadic. We got impatient finger brains, can't stretch it. Let me have it, gonna grab it. I got nothing left to lose. Dang it, you can hide, justify, but we got our genocide. Now it's time you die. We can buy.
I believe we've met before. I'm supposed to tell you limb from limb. Step inside my deadly sin. I can breathe. The air is thick with dread.
Attention all guests. Please bring your eyes to the main stage for Freddy and Friends performing Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Please enjoy.
Hello, everybody. You ready to have a good time? I know I am. 'Cause it's Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. For kids, it's number one. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, where fantasy meets fun.
All that actually guaranteed.
Well, let's meet the band. My name is Freddy. I'm the singer in the band. Got a hat and a big bow tie. I'm a big brown bear, but don't be